Greetings and welcome back to another video. But what's up? How you guys doing? Long time no see. I hope it wasn't a long time since my last video because, well, I know I've been inconsistent, but we're gonna try to be more consistent. So today we are going to be making a gonna beat, but yeah, I'm gonna use samples again. Samples, you see, the thing is, right, with samples, like, you could say, oh, that's cheating. Or are you using samples? Like, you could say that, but like at the same time, it's like when you get good at it, like, it's fun. Trust me. When you find that right sample and then you get the right counter melodies to like blend with that sample, it just makes goodness and amazing. But if you guys like the video, don't forget to leave a like, share, don't forget to subscribe. And also, don't forget to join my Discord, okay? Join my Discord. Links in the description. I'm gonna be in there talking. If you guys wanna ask me questions, I'll answer your questions. But yeah, links in the description for my Discord. And let's get into this video. Yeah, so I downloaded these two samples, of course, off of Looperman. You know what I'm saying? Looperman is the freaking GOAT with these darn samples. I want to figure out what sample I want to use first. Okay, so let's...
A few moments later.
So we're just going to use this bottom one first. Just because, like, you know, I don't want to waste time stretching and editing and all that BS. So let's just figure this one out. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, since this is way too slow, let's see what happens if I speed it up. Because, okay, I already have a really good idea for something with that, but... Okay, this is what we're gonna do. Actually, I haven't tried reverse. Let's pitch it up. It's just, I'm gonna mess with the pitches first. That's what I'm gonna mess with the pitches. Let's see if I can come up with a different sound. What the hell? Is there a way to pitch this up even higher? Okay, this is a pretty good, easy sample to mess with, so I'm just gonna use that. Let me EQ this first because I don't like some of these sounds. Add some reverb to that because, you know, you can never go wrong with reverb. I mean, it's just true. Like, alright, I'm just gonna go straight in with the 808 because I'm gonna do the 808 and the snare just because, like, I don't want to delay this any longer. Let's just get this 808 going. Where's my 808? There it is. Alright, let's stretch this out, please. Thank you. This is by event. Sure, there we go. just gonna reverse these. Just cause like actually sounds probably better if I reverse these. So I'm just gonna reverse them. It's gonna be like a slower gunna beat. Alright, cool. We got the 808. And now we are going to get a kick because I need more presence from this 808. Okay, well, that gives it more presence. But the kick! I need the kick. Alright, there we go. There we go. Let me take off Fruity Limiter and replace that with the beloved soft clipper. Hi-hats now. Guys, is that the beat already? Did we catch fire already? It's only been 12 minutes. 12 minutes. 12 minutes. Let's just finish this up. I'm just gonna finish this up, man. That was 12 minutes. Play around with these hi-hats, it's gonna take a while, but maybe not, who knows, I don't know. Alright. Now, we just need a counter melody. I mean, we don't even need a counter melody, but I just choose to want to do that because, you know what I'm saying, you know, let's just look for something. If we can't find something, it's okay. It's okay, because we still got a banger. We still got a banger. honestly, guys, I think that's it. That's really it. I made a banger in 12 minutes. 12 minutes. And yeah, I think it sounds pretty solid. I hope you guys thought it did too. If you did, leave a like. If you didn't, I don't really care. Don't forget, join my Discord, links in the description, all that stuff. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna see you all in the next one. Peace.